Welcome back everyone to another Airsoft video. Today's Airsoft video we're going to be playing at the factory owned by Advantage Airsoft. Today is going to be a blend of both my footage and Leech's footage, so hope you all enjoy, and please leave a like and subscribe down below. And thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoy.
Oh shoot.
When I looked at you, I couldn't see myself passing through your room. I know I needed help, and when you talked to me, all I heard was words I couldn't say a thing. I only made it worse. He was around, and I know it's hard when you feel this way in the way.